So in this part, I want to talk about the mapping techniques in GIS. For mapping, you have to focus on the map layout. You have to open the map layout here, which is given here. Then if you need more frames, then you can add a map frame. Otherwise, the frame is already given. Then you can add the map elements here. Then you get adjust to the layout. Then you have to export or print the map. So there are 5 steps. We'll discuss one by one. In this one, as you can see, that important is the map elements. What are the map elements which you have to focus on? So the map extent, you have to zoom and pan your data to adjust so it can cover the full area. What you can do, we will demonstrate with the help of software. There should be a title. The title is important. As you can see here, the title is important to get an idea. I mean, if anyone will use your map, the title is the first thing which a viewer or user see in the map. Thereafter, the legends. What are the legends? What color, what symbol shows what? There must be a scale bar. If there is no scale bar, it is not a map, it's a sketch. So there should be a scale bar, and there must be the north arrow. So you see, these two parts are very important technically. Sometimes maybe legend is not required because you have already given the things inside the body. The title should be there, and you have to choose your map extent. Then you have to go for print setup. This is very easy. We will demonstrate with the help of software. Now let's make a map, which is important one. Why? Because finally we have to give, or we have to show our work in the form of a map. So if you see here, these are the two buttons given here. This is the data view and this is the layout view. If I will click the layout, this is the layout, and this layout you can change into this is portrait. If you want a landscape, you can make a landscape here, as this is convenient for you to from the viewpoint of the shape of Nigeria. Here, this one. So in this map, this is the Nigerian outline map this time here, and you can add the states here. States are here. This is one, the first level, and you can make hollow, and you can give the name of the states. Name one is here. Do it okay. Apply. Then do it okay. So as a matter of fact, that you must be knowing that what is the size of this layout. This is the A4 size, I think, because when you export it, this is, yeah, A4 size. So this is, I mean, if you have to insert as a image, then you have to, this is A4 size. Okay, what you can do is you can give your own size here by giving some width, like this may be 16, here it may be 14, or it may be 12. Then when you will export, this the values of the level, the size of the levels, naturally it will increase here. So again, you can make it to your layout view. Here you can make it to the layout view like this, and you can zoom to layer. So by doing like this here, the margins may be more or small. So I will suggest you to take the guides here. So if you are taking the guides, your map will be very good, and it will be snapped automatically in the guides here. We can take like this here, we can take like because down you can give the scale like this. It will stick here, and it will stick here, it will stick here, then it will be a good symmetry. Then right click, zoom to layer, and it's perfect. Okay, so now the elements which you have studied earlier, then you can add the north arrow here. North arrow is very important for direction. What is the direction, you can set it here, or better if you are taking the elements out of the actual data, because these are the here, so it's better to take out of this. Go to insert, you can make a scale bar, which is the most important. Why? Because without scale, map is not a map. I need in kilometer, apply it, do it. Okay, so this is the map you can use for your, I mean, this is the scale which you can use for your map. And there should be a title here, you can insert as a text or a title here. This is Nigeria states map, and don't forget to give it the, you can place anywhere, let me place it here, then you can change the font size and the color, whatever you like. So if you are having the drop, you can do it from here also. These are the tools which help you to make your titles, or you can change the colors also here. Okay, so this is just to show you. So you have got the title, you have got the scale, you have got the north here, and sometimes this is the requirement, you should give the grids, then you can give the grids also here. Right click here, go to property, grids, new grids, next. So parallel difference is 1 degree, this is 5 degree difference, you can change it. I need levels only. Next, what do you want, major and minor text, you can choose, do it. Okay, then finish it, apply it. Okay, so this is the way the grids are coming, but you can change, because it is better to give the grids maybe two sides, or these are the, you can change the orientations of the grids. So the axes are here, major divisions are there. If you want levels, the vertical level you want left and right here, vertical, you can make it vertical also. Okay, so this is the way you can, if there is a requirement of two sides only, then you can remove. From two sides, like levels axis, you can remove from top and you can remove from left. Then from up it will go. So this is the way you can make your map, and you can then finally you can export it. But before that, let me show you one more thing here. If you need to show that where Nigeria is, then you can make a new data frame here. Then you can choose in this data frame, you can take the data here, and you can take some data at maybe what level, and what level you can see the continent here, what continents you can, and here you can zoom in to Africa. Then you can make like this, because this is level 1. You can make the Nigeria borders here like this. You can change the border type. Okay, this is the Nigeria here, and then with the help of draw tool you can make the arrows of your help of arrows you can show that, okay, this is Nigeria here. Right click property, change symbol, and you can make the arrows here. So there are many more things you can do with the help of in the layout. You can give the titles, and here if you are interested to make more colors, right click, go to properties, then from the symbology part you can give the categories with the name 1, and you can choose the color which suits your map. Okay, better to take some light color here at all values, then you can do it, apply, then okay. So this is the way you can make a beautiful map which purpose resolve or which meets your need. This is